Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can apply the White's trend test on your data. It is a bit complicated and it has several steps. Regression, first you should fit a regression model and calculate the residuals. Then auxiliary regression you should apply again and calculate R square. R square can be calculated with this formula, and also after that you can calculate the White's test statistics and apply a chi-square test. It is if you use data tool, all of these steps will down in the behind code. There is 3 methods to check a trend test, and 2 of these methods show us both of these series have trend, but the White test shows the Y1 have trend test and Y2 haven't trend test. I want to show you. Firstly, I should select the data, X and Y data, and easily click on the button, and you will have the result. It has significant trend. And both the second series Y2 haven't significant trend. It is a bit different than other methods, and it shows haven't any trend, but it is clear both of them have trend. I will put the link of the tool and the link of the page that describe the methods in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.